recording? Okay. So now we are going to learn how to keep your eye on the screen. Don't look directly here because then you may be pointing in the wrong direction. Okay, now Bemu, we are going to learn something. We are going to learn how to add numbers, add 1 to various big numbers, okay? Which we were looking at earlier. So now we are making a video so that you will have it available to view at any time. So look, let's say here are U for units. These are single things. T for tens, okay? So let's say we have 9 units and 9 tenths. This is what we were looking at last time. So here we have 9 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See, 9 individual things. And 9 tenths. 10 means it's a set of 10. There's 1 set, 2 sets, 3 sets, 4 sets, 5 sets, 6 sets, 7 sets, 8 sets, and 9 sets. And each of these 9 sets contains 10 individual things. Can you see? So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, we have 9 units and 9 sets of 10. Now what will happen if we add one more unit? Here comes one more unit. We have circled the new unit. You see? Is it clearly visible there? Is the small feature clearly visible? Can these individual dots be seen?
Yes.
Closer.
No, it's fine.
Left. Your call is being recorded.
Your fault.
There. See? People will comment on how you were rude and snappy. So now here's the new set of 10. Can you see? Here's the new unit, which is circled. See, just now we had 9 units. And here comes another new one, okay? And it's circled. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, which you already had. And after 9 is 10. So now we have 10 units. And what do we do? As soon as we have 10 of something, what should we do? We must group it into a bigger set. See, if you have many small things, you cannot carry them all. So you put them in a bag. And then, are you capturing it? If you have many small things like grapes or raisins, will you carry all of them in your hand one by one? No. You put them into a bag because it makes it easier. And that's the same rule which we apply for numbers. So as soon as you have 10 numbers, as soon as you have 10 of something, you must group it into a big set. So now we have 10. So all of these will move. See, the arrow shows that it is moving. Arrow means it's moving. So all of these will move into a new set of 10. See, there's one big set of 10. So just like if you had some raisins and there are too many of them, then it's difficult to handle them. So you group them into a bowl, and then in a bowl you can easily carry them. Just like that, these loose raisins, these loose things, these loose numbers, as soon as you have 10 of them, that's too many. And it's 10, that means it's too many, so you must group them into a set. So now we are grouping them, we are moving them. The arrow shows that it is moving, so it is moving into a new bowl, into a new set of 10. T for 10, see, that's why T is for 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. This is the new set of 10 which was here. It is moved here now. So since all of these have gone from here into this set of 10, now they have gone from here. They have come here. So I will circle the new set of 10. See? So this is the new set of 10 which wasn't there before. And now since all the units have moved here, how many units are left here? 0. It's no longer 9. So this is 0. And now how many tens do we have? See, this is the newly formed set of 10 which came from these units that were here. They have all come here. After the new unit made it 10 units, we have grouped into this bowl, into this set. Now how many sets of 10 do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now we have 10 you must group it into a bigger set. That means now we have to take these 10 things, 10 sets of 10 and group them into a bigger set. So instead of these small balls, we will take an even bigger object like a big pot. So now these 10 things, these 10 balls will go into a pot like that. Okay. Now they will all move here. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. This is the new one. See, they all move into this pot. Because now we got 10 of this, so we got 10 sets of 10. They will move into an even bigger set. So, and this bigger set is called 100. Okay. So we had, as soon as we had 10 units, we moved them here so that we had 10 tens. And as soon as we have 10 tens, we move them into an even bigger set, into an even bigger container like a pot. So here we have, see, here we have 10 bowls inside each pot. So as soon as we have 10 or something, let's move it into a bigger set. And here's the new set of 10. Here's the new unit. Here's the new unit, and here's the new set of 10. And if all of these move here, then will there be, since they have moved here, the arrow means if they have moved. That means they will be gone from here because they have moved. So how many sets of 10 do we have now here? We have 0. And how many hundreds do we have? We have 1 because this is a new set of 100.
Okay, time's
You
up.
get it? Wait now. So just now we had 99.
Time is up.
And when we added one more, when we added one more, then this 9 became a set of 10 and it went here. The new set of 10 went to this 10. This became a 0. Then this set of this 9 plus the one more set of 10 became 10 sets of 10. As soon as you have 10 sets of 10, that will also move to a bigger set. So we got, after 99, we started with 99 and then we ended up with 100. So we had 9 units and 9 sets of 10. And we had one more to that, we end up with 0 units because they all moved to this set of 10, the tens. And then we get 0 tens because they also become a full. You get 10 tens, so they all move into hundreds. So if you have 99, then after 99 is 100. So the 9 units become 0 units because they all move
Baba,
here.
time is up.
And then the 9 tens become 10 tens, so they all move here. So after 99 is 100. Okay, just keep recording for one more minute, okay? Now, one last example, okay?
I think $5.
So now let's say we have an even bigger number. Let's consider an even bigger number, okay? So units, tens, hundreds, and after hundreds, an even bigger number than hundreds is thousands. So let's say we have 900. Okay, let's not do thousands right now, okay? Let's say we have 100 and 99, okay? 199, it's like this, 199, 199. That means one big pot, okay, with 10 bowls or 10 smaller sets inside, and then here are 9 bowls, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, and each of these bowls have 10 things inside, 10 units inside. Okay, just showing the dots, but they're actually supposed to be 10. And 9 units, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now what will happen if you add one more unit? Here's the one more unit. So, as soon as you have 10 or something, that's too many. So you group them into a bigger set. So all of these will move into a new set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I've circled the 10. And these are all gone. They all moved to the set of 10. So now they are no longer here. So these became 0. Okay? And now how many tens do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. This is the new set of 10. So now we have 10 tens. So as soon as we have 10 of something, we have to move it to a bigger set. So now that we have 10 tens, group them all and move them into a bigger set. And the set which is bigger than tens is hundreds. So we move them into a bigger set which is shaped like a pot. I'm just showing it like a pot, but it just means it's a bigger set. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay? Here are all the units inside these sets of 10. Each set of 10 has 10 units inside it. Can you see? Each set of 10 has 10 units inside. And this is the new set of 10 just now, from here. No, sorry, from here, this is the new set of 10. You see, this set of 100 was already present. This is the new one. We got 10 tens, so they all moved into a new bigger set. So now that they have all moved, the arrow shows that they have moved. This is the new one, and they are gone from here because they moved. So now how many sets of 10 do we have left? We have 0. And earlier we had 100. Now how many do we have? We have one more. So 1 and 2, 200s. Became 200. 2, 0, 0 is 200. So just now we started with 199 and then became 200 because this set of 9, look, I'm just finishing up it. This set of 9 units. After adding one more unit, they became 10 and they all moved here. So this became a 0. See, the 9
$9.
0 because it became a set of 10 and it all moved here. So it became 9, only 0 units were left. And when you add one more, this new set of 10 added to this set of 9, these 9 tens, again became 10. So when you have 10 tens, they will move into an even bigger set. They will move here. And then once they move here, here you will be left with 0 tens. And here you already had one set of 10 from before, and this new set, you had one set of 100.